Hello again, it's Noob, and well, I happened to come across this Abus 54 Ti 50, and well, this one has a very strange keyway for an Abus. I honestly thought it'd have more of a Yale style keyway, a paracentric keyway. It has quite an open keyway, something which reminds me of some American locks, I know, like a Schlage or something like that. But like an Abus, it does have, whilst it only does have 5 pins, it has pretty reasonable bitting with lots of highs and lows in here. Yeah, not a bad little lock. And also, despite this keyway, surprisingly tricky to pick, and I really don't know why. I expect Abus to have spool pins in, but this feels more like serrated pins. Maybe it has serrated pins, I genuinely don't know. I wish there was a way for me to easily find out, but nevertheless, it does say it's a 5 out of 10 security. We know Abus do some very high security locks, so this is going to be a middle of the range lock, which is probably about right, if a little high, because clearly an aluminium body padlock with a thin shackle like that, especially one with enough room for shims either side, is probably pushing it a little bit to say it's a 5 out of 10 security, but we'll give it a pick. We'll give it a pick and see how it handles itself. So, at top of the keyway, tension tool. See how it's got that little bit of movement there, which may mean that it's got all spools in, and which is why it's got that little bit of movement, and may explain why it feels like it's got serrated pins in, because what's actually happening is it's already going into like a false set from the beginning, but I could just be making that up. I'm just going to go in and to feel what pins need to be picked. So that's pin 3 as it happens there. Pin 4, little click. Still nothing going on that I can feel. Pin 4 again then. And see again, that's 2 clicks out of pin 4. Odd. Pin 1 now. And did you see that little core movement there? Something's happening inside here. I just don't know what. Tiny click on 3. Click on 2 there. Let's go back through. So nothing on 5. 4 seems pretty set. 3, 2, maybe 1. Three seems springy. 2, another click. See, why do I get 2 clicks out of 2? Just, I can't figure this lock out at all. It feels like 4 set, going back through. 1 again. Feels like a little click, counter rotation. Maybe a bit of oversetting there. That's pin 3. Let's try 1 again. Does it need to be pushed up a little bit further? There we go, that's better. So that seems good. Pin 2, little click. Again, was that an overset? Pin 4 certainly feels like it needs to be set properly. Wow, pin 4 went up really high, but 2 clicks. Again, did you hear that? It's just such a... I'd love to know what's really going on inside this lock, because it just feels odd. I just had to drop some tension because I wasn't getting any feedback at all. Pin 1. Yeah, see, now I felt that pin 1 was set. I just click pin 2 again, so I feel like I'm just trying out these pins in different positions and just seeing whether I'm going to get a different result. So it's pin 1 again. I feel that I've clicked pin 1 about 100 times at this point. That's pin 4, nothing on 3. Again, another click on 2. What's going on inside here? Another click on 2 and 1. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. I mean, that clearly took longer than your average little Abus padlock to pick. And I'd love to know what pins there are inside. I'm looking at the back of this card that came with the lock. It just says that it's made with a special aluminium lock body. It's got hardened steel shackle, and it's got a double locking but shimble locking pawls either side. It doesn't say anything about the anti-pick or the pins inside here. I'm assuming that it's just spool pins which are acting in some way like serrated pins, but ABUS do some serrated pins, so maybe it's got some serrated pins in there. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments. I really want to know what's going on inside this. Why did it just like click, 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 click? What's going on? I don't understand. Anyway, so that's the ABUS 54 Ti50. Trickier to pick than it should be. I don't know why. Maybe it's just this lock. If you have a comment, leave one below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.